Well, hello folks, welcome back. It's now Monday. Beautiful if you like hot, humid weather, but it's better than what we had a couple days ago, that's for sure. So I've got a lot of requests come in. I got a lot of work to get done. I was busy before, now it's just wow. But first things first, my parents' driveway has washed out in the storm. Not an absolute emergency, but for scheduling purposes, I want to go out and get it done. You know, it's my parents, first off, but I want to go out and get it done so then other things are freed up for the week. All I need is the skid steer, but I'm going to need the tandem for some material. Probably 3 or 4 loads because we're going to do like a little turnaround spot at the same time while I'm there. So I'm hooked up to the skid steer. Take this out first and probably try to do a little bit of work with the skid steer to bring some material back into where it's supposed to be. And then either later today or first thing tomorrow morning, I'll start bringing loads in to get that all taken care of. But first things first, we got the Ram hooked up. Be the longest towing with the new wheels on so far. I literally only moved it from the pit over to here the other day with this truck. So the first time like actually hauling a pretty good distance with these wheels on. So we'll see how she does as well. So we're on the highway 12 right now, and somewhere out here is where the road was completely washed out, right around this area somewhere. I'm sure we'll get to it here shortly. This might be it. Yeah, this is it. So this is where it was completely gone. So they just filled it in for now. Put some more culverts in, but I mean, this was never any spot of concern, ever. Like, I never would have thought that would have washed away there. Looks like we got some more damage up here. Oh yeah, that whole shoulder's gone. Jeez, better watch out. It's gone on that side too. More damage. Yeah, highway crews are gonna be busy. Parents now. We've got people pull over alongside the road for some reason. Picking that cone up, I guess. Crap. Okay, well, here we are. Yeah, I'd say. Holy cow. I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Alright, well, we're here, and it's way worse than what I thought it was going to be. So, my 39 years, this is where I grew up. This is the family house. I've never seen nothing like this before. I think Dad said they've been here for 44 years. Never had to deal with nothing like this. There's like 2 to 3 tandem loads of material that's on his lawn. It's a weird spot to put a quarry. This is insane. I never thought I'd see this. So I'm just gonna pick that stuff up as much as I can and bring it back in here. I mean, he got through 40 some years of that. Well, all right, so I just checked a job out here in Marvin's Island that I've been doing for a while. Had a ton of groundwater on it, had to do a bunch of drainage, but it held up perfect. And here's a nice spot right here though, that washed out on the road, getting there. That's why. Spot up here that washed out pretty good. Yeah. Both sides of the road. So I'll show you guys tomorrow morning. But I was able to get my parents' driveway put back together with just the stuff that was off their lawn. It looks almost as good as what it did before. Their lawn needs a little bit of handwork. You know, you can't get it all, that's for sure. But my mother came home from work and drove in. She was like, "Holy cow! How many loads was that?" I said, "Oh, about 3 probably." She said, "How much?" I said, "Well, it's all off your front lawn." Anyway, there's some more work there to do tomorrow. I got that turnaround spot to do. We will need a load of type 1 or type 2 over top of that. One or two loads of like 2 to 4 inch rock. I don't like the Class A from the quarry that I'm going to be going to. I find it's way too fine. So I'm probably going to use type 2 because their type 2 literally looks like type 1. So anyway, so I'll pick this back up tomorrow, but for now, they're in and out. No problem. All right, folks, we're in the big rig, heading to get the first load of gravel. So I'm gonna get some, hopefully get some 2 to 4 inch clear or 2 to 4 inch with some fines in it, like a surge type material, to put down first on that turnaround spot, that loop around spot that they're gonna be using. And then after that, definitely 1 load of Class A or type 2. This quarry, like I said, their Class A is really fine. So their type 2 is pretty close to a Class A, like you get in most places. So might get away with 2 loads altogether, who knows? But I'm thinking it's probably going to take the 3rd load to do it really good. But we'll see what takes place here in a little bit anyway. Washed out bad yesterday. Asphalt's completely gone. right, folks, we're ready to wrap up and get on out of here. Driveway is better, smoother now than what it ever was. He's got some hand work in here to do, that's for sure. But I've got to head on to the next ones, to lots more to do, some tower roads and stuff like that. But turned out really good. End up using one load of surge for the turnaround spot there, and then 2 loads of Class A. Did the whole driveway and the turnaround spot. So he's happy, very appreciative. My mother will be happy when she gets home. Whew, it is warm, it is warm. But yeah, no, it turned out good. It's compacted down really well. Put some in front of his shed because he's gonna build a ramp for that. There used to be a low spot there before. We got this area all geared up. Parking spot, turnaround spot, swing through, ready to roll. Absolutely beautiful night here. Beautiful. I actually decided to clean up the truck for the first time in a long time. First time since I had the wheels on. I gotta say, for an old Cummins, don't look too bad. Cleans up pretty good. But anyway, folks, so yeah, that was not the first little bit of work I've done since the storm, but you know, that was sort of at the top of my list. Anytime family's involved, they get priority for sure. When it's your parents, it's a whole different story. They are super happy and very appreciative of what I got done out there. There's still a bunch of handwork. Like if that was like a job that I actually went to quote from start to finish or whatever, yeah, I would have included the cleanup in the yard, like on the lawn, if they wanted to, and I would have been raking the edges and stuff in the turnaround spot as I went. But you know, Dad was just saying, you know, come on in, do what you can do, and I know you got other things that you need to be getting at. But they're happy. Everything looks really good out there. Picked up a few jobs since then, so the storm cleanup is far from over, that's for sure. It's gonna take a long time to catch up on all this stuff. But yeah, if you like this shirt here, check these guys out, Hammer Nail Workwear. I'll put a link to their website. I'm pretty sure their website's up now. They got lots of stuff. They sent me some t-shirts, they sent me a jacket, some long sleeves, they sent my wife some stuff. Really nice stuff, very comfortable, high quality. The people are really wicked that I've been talking with back and forth. I didn't ask for anything. They just said, hey man, I really like your channel. I know you work hard. I'd like to send you some stuff. So I like to help people out if I can. And of course, you know, free stuff's always good too, right? But yeah, really good stuff. But anyway, folks, I got to keep an eye on my dog because he is really well known for just taking off, and I can't find him for a long time. So that's gonna do it for this video. Stay tuned. Lots more coming on the truck. I've got lots of goodies to go on it. The shocks are in. I just didn't have time this week, or as of yet, to get them installed, because I want to do a before video and an after video on the same road to compare how the shocks are. Also, lots of Banks goodies are in for the truck, so I'll get those put in as well. Yeah, lots going on. So if you enjoy the channel, stick around. I appreciate the support. YouTube right now is, for us in Canada anyway, it seems like, or me, it just kind of evaporated, to be honest. But anyway, whatever, I still enjoy it. So until next time, folks, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you then. Bye.